Please help me welcome my music director. Such an honor, such a great honor to do this song with her. Thank you, ma. When I think upon all your love and your mercy, oh, what wondrous love you have poured over me. It is deeper than my heart and my soul can find. All I want to do is to shout and sing. Oh, you are so good to me. Oh, you are so good to me. Oh, you are so good to me.
When I think about all your love and your mercy, oh, what wondrous love you have poured over me. It is deeper than my heart and my soul can fathom. All I want to do is to shout and sing. Oh, you are so good to me. Oh, you are so good to me. Oh, you are so to me. Oh, you are so good to me. Sing, oh, oh, you are so good. You are so good to me. So good to me, oh, hey, oh, Lord, you are so good to me. When I think of the goodness of Jesus, oh, it's done for me. You are so good to me. I can't help but shout, oh, you are so good. Somebody raise their worship. Say, oh, oh, yes, you are. Sing, oh, Jesus, oh, my life, you are so good. You are so good. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4. Sing, oh, you are so good. You are so good to me. Hey, you are so
I see, oh, oh, you are the one that's so good to me. Bless me the God. Bless me the God of Odimego. I don't know about you. The one that does wondrous things. Hey, Shanuka Pante. My God. Hey, if he had not been for the Lord who was on my side. My God, my God. Hey, my God. Ashanti Katoba. You are so good to me. He did not allow the road of the wicked to rest upon the lot of the righteous. Hey, you are so good. You are so good. My circumstances cannot define you. You are so good to me. No matter what I be, it cannot define you. You are so good. Nothing in this world can define you. I know you are so good to me. In all circumstances, every single circumstances, you are so good to me. My experience cannot define you. In every circumstance, it doesn't matter what I mean. I declare that you are so good. My caretaker, my sustainer. In all circumstances, in all circumstances. For hope maketh not ashamed. For the love of God has been shed abroad in our heart by the Holy Spirit. In all circumstances.